I'm making masks, protective masks, using the Florida University pattern. And I want to show you a few things that I learned along the way while making this exceptional reusable mask. Now, on the left here, we have the original pattern as given by the University of Florida. And as you can see, I have increased the size universally by at least a ½ inch. And also I make mine a little differently than their pattern. I am using a Pelon fusible interfacing, 1 layer of that, and then 2 layers of cotton. And the Pelon is sandwiched inside. I also sew them differently in that the pattern from the university calls for sewing them just around the edge and leaving a raw seam. I made them bigger just so I could turn them inside out and then make them a finished seam on the outside. I think that works a lot better. Now here's the finished mask. As you can see, it is fully finished. It doesn't have a raw edge like the University of Florida pattern calls for. So I just stitched it around the edge and then turned it inside out and then sewed it shut. So the only raw edge ends up being this seam down the center. And these masks, by the way, I'm struggling because I only have one hand here. I'm holding the camera. But the last seam down the mask is the only raw edge. And as you can see, I have that trimmed close. And this mask is fully reversible. That means if you want to wear it the other way around, turn it inside out for some reason, you can. And then I'm using 1-inch bias strips sewn with my bias tape attachment to make 18-inch straps, regulation straps. This mask is ideal for people who have phobias about masks, people who have facial hair that they need to tuck in a mask. And it also is reusable, filters much more than just plain cotton would. And I find I don't have anxiety. I have both COPD and kind of a claustrophobia for such things. And I'm finding that this mask doesn't give me that panicked feeling. So any mask will. If you wear it long enough and you're wandering up and down the grocery store aisles to pick up your necessary goods, it's going to get to you after a while. So just take it easy, wear it at home, get used to it. But I'll be making more about this mask and showing you my complete process for making it as I go along. Stay tuned for more.